At Esteem Constructions, we're not just builders. We genuinely care and want to create spaces where the family can connect, build memories, and also just have an enjoyable and usable area.
For example, in this project, we have created open living area upstairs, which is connected to all the bedrooms. And we have created a space of small kitchenette in front of the living area where family can enjoy their time and they can have a small snacks, drinks, whatever they can enjoy. And then they have a beautiful space. And in this space, we have created a back door, bifolding door in the back balcony where a lot of sun is coming and the breeze is flowing through. And in this house, it has been designed in a way that light and air can pass through house from the back to the front, and that's how it's really open space house. In this project, what we have done, we have removed all the structure wall and we make really open space area right in front of the kitchen. So in this area, family can enjoy while someone is cooking, which children can talk and enjoy the time with the family. And as you can see, easily 20-30 people can sit in this space. And it's a multi-purpose space which can be utilized for a reading, for a coffee, for having a chat. And also when you're designing your house, you need to make sure that now the modern style is a square set where all the edges and the cornices are not the cornices of 90 mm that used to, but it's a square edges. So the more clean and square edges you have, your house will look quite spacious and bigger. And here we have done the panels on the wall just to give another dimension to the house. All the wall behind we have done the paneling, and then we have installed the fire space, and then it's again leather finished stone on the top, and it's creating a beautiful space.